Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in a Nissan Sentra using an easy method. First, ensure your engine is completely cool before starting to avoid serious burns. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including a large drain pan, a funnel, and a wrench. It's crucial to have the correct type of coolant for your specific Nissan Sentra model readily available before you begin the process. Now, let's drain the old coolant. First, locate the radiator drain plug, usually found at the bottom of the radiator on the driver's side. Position your large drain pan directly underneath the plug to catch all the old fluid. Carefully open the drain plug, allowing the coolant to flow out completely. This step ensures you remove as much of the old, degraded coolant as possible. Once the old coolant has fully drained, close the radiator drain plug securely. Now, it's time to flush the system. Fill the radiator with distilled water, then run your engine until it reaches operating temperature. This circulates the water, helping to clean out any remaining old coolant. After the engine cools, drain the water, then refill with your new, proper coolant mixture. Finally, you need to bleed any air from the system. With the radiator cap off, run the engine until it's warm, allowing air bubbles to escape. Top off the coolant as needed. Once done, replace the cap, check for any leaks, and monitor your coolant levels over the next few days. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. It's a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their financial well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.